I'm almost done with block 1 of my Annie's Club Afghan block. So the way that this works is every month they're going to send me the yarn and the directions for how to make the Afghan. So I just got this first block, but I wanted to show you, look at how pretty it's turning out. So I did the first block, the second block, this beautiful faux cable, this really fun ribbed stitch, and now I'm working on my first bead stitch. Whoops. And I have to tell you that without the video instructions, I would be lost. But I also would have been lost without my 17-year-old who is a master crocheter. And why is that? There were a couple times that I couldn't find my place on the row, and because he has so much experience, he was able to show me different things in the chain. But the biggest lesson that I've learned is something that I actually taught my son too, and that is that each of the blocks I did at least 5 times before it turned out like the final product. So the first time I did it, it was too small. The next time I did it, it was too big. Then I had to change needles. And the phrase in crocheting is rip it. So I was telling my 17-year-old, okay, I did a block, but I don't like it. He goes, Mom, rip it and do it again. And so with his encouragement, I went back and forth and back and forth and actually redid the blocks. And it's turning out beautifully. So if you have any experience crocheting, this would be a fantastic project. If you're brand new to crocheting, I would recommend they have some beginner tutorials there as well. But so far, it's absolutely worth the money. So each kit comes with all the yarn, the paper instructions, and video instructions step by step, where she actually crochets with you for a good portion of a row, and then she says, meet you at the end of the row, and then you pick up at the end and she shows you what to do, like how to turn it and all that stuff. It's turning out beautifully, and I absolutely love the feel of this yarn, and I cannot wait to see what this project looks like. So I'm gonna link in the video so that you can grab your own kit. It's the perfect time of year to start something like this, and I think that's it. I'm super excited. Isn't it pretty?